So, no, right there. So you're good. Your attorney didn't appear today because it got dismissed.
Oh, okay.
So you're all
Is
set.
there any paperwork?
Miss Adams, did we show the nulli press in the system?
Let me check.
And this is file number 2000. Let me get that. 2025-22201 on page. It may not have been filed yet.
Oh,
So let us check, okay?
Yeah, I don't see it scanned in yet.
So it's not scanned in yet, but Miss Demont, if you call back with her in like a week, she can get you a copy of it.
okay, thank you so much.
All right, awesome. You're just a show cause, so hold on, I can take care of you. All right, Michelle's not answering anyway. Yeah, come up to the podium. Hey, this is Judge Ann Sloan. So I am ready for a bunch of people. Israel Vela, Chad Marvin, and Doug Weiss.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep, see ya.
Bye. All right, Mr. Lamley. You are,
Violation of probation.
yeah, hold on. All my files here. Okay, this is file number 2024-22063FH in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Noah Lamley. So, Mr. Lamley, we are here on a probation violation which alleges that you have not reported to circuit court probation since your release from jail on May 22nd of 2026. So this is a technical violation, which means it can carry a limited amount of jail time on it. You were placed on probation with circuit court and you were ordered to report to Joanne Holly. Okay.
I do have a reason.
Hold on. So because this carries potentially a jail term, you do have a right to, and I know that you switch from one court to the other, I get that, but you do have a right to have an attorney represent you if you can't afford to hire one.
I would rather have that, but I do just need paperwork to prove that I was put in hospitalization over the period. I just don't have the paperwork. It's with my case manager from CMH.
Okay.
And she didn't show
Hold
up.
on.
Okay.
So what I'm gonna do is, I will set this over to another day and we will get you a court-appointed attorney to appear on that day, and that way you have time to go get your hospital paperwork.
Thank you.
Okay, so Miss Adams, I would like to set this over to, can I set it over? Is there any day next week I can set this over, Miss Adams?
Judge, you are only here on Monday next week.
Really? Oh, okay.
Yes.
No, I would, okay. What about the next week? Or July 15th, maybe? Would that be better?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set this and I'm gonna need a notice of hearing for him, please. So July 15th at 8:30 in the morning. So Mr. Lamley, you have to report to Miss Holly. All right, say yes.
Right now? Yes.
Okay,
Miss. Right now?
hold on. Miss Teskey, is Miss Holly here today?
I saw her yesterday.
Hold on.
She is your
So you
honor.
reported to Miss Holly yesterday?
Yes, ma'am. That's why.
And what did she tell you to report the next time?
She did not, but she told me to come to court today.
Okay,
It was kind of like a half an hour discussion.
okay. I'm gonna have you, give you a notice of hearing. We'll appoint an attorney. They'll be back with you on that day. I want you to step across the hall and tell Miss Holly, the judge adjourned this, and ask her how often she wants you to report going
Yeah.
forward until we come
Yes,
back.
I did forget to get, thanks for reminding me, I did forget.
Okay, so have a seat at the end of the bench. We'll get you a notice. And then you step over there and you ask Miss Holly how often she wants you to report. Okay?
Your Honor,
Yes.
well, when was this adjourned till?
Oh, Miss Holly popped in. Hold on. Hold on. All right, I'm using mouse left-handed. Okay. All right, hold on one second because Miss Holly popped in. Miss Holly. Well, she popped in, but she's not.
When was this adjourned to, Your Honor?
It's June 15 at 8:30 in the morning, but I just Well, Miss
June?
Holly's not,
July.
July 15th. All right, so she's not turning on her thing. Just go over there and to the probation department and ask to see Miss Holly. You too, thank you. All right, and Miss Teskey, Jeffrey Ellett was adjourned to August 5 at 8:30.
Okay, thank you.
All right, I do have Mr. Vela. So let me pull your files, Mr. Vela. Hold on 1 minute.
What's the deal, man? What y'all doing today?
Hey, Mr. Vela, how are you?
Good, man.
I will
15
help.
months later. 15 months
I
later.
know. Okay, so this is file number, we have 2025-22210FH and 2025-22368FH. So I have, looks like Allison Arnold appearing on behalf of the people, and I have Christine Beecher appearing on behalf of Mr. Vela. This is date and time set for a pretrial in motion, it appears. So, Ms. Beecher, how would you like to proceed today with Mr. Vela?
They adjourned it to 7:15.
Ms.
When
Teskey,
you
mute
went under report.
Sarah? Okay, mute, please.
Thank
All right,
you.
Ms. Beecher.
Thank you, Your Honor. I would ask for an adjournment. I haven't had an opportunity to run Mr. Vela's guidelines and in regards to the offer and meet with him. So I will be headed over to the jail today after I finish here in court and discuss some different options with him. So I would just ask for an adjournment. I do see that he is in jail. It appears that his bond is a cash bond of 10,000. Is that accurate?
I'm assuming so, yes.
Okay. And so I would just ask that it be set, maybe a couple weeks out.
Okay, so, Ms. Beecher, my next available is July 29 at 8:30. That being said, if you go and meet with Mr. Vela today and are able to reach an agreement, just call my staff and we will get them in right away, okay?
Thank
So,
you.
July 29 at 8:30, and you can prepare the stip in order to adjourn. Miss Arnold, can she sign your name with permission?
She can.
All right, so Mr. Vela, obviously, if there's some kind of settlement agreement you enter into, I'll have you in right away. If there isn't, I'm sure we'll set a trial date when we come back, okay?
Hey, my bond's 10,000 cash and surety.
Yeah. I'm not quite sure what it is on each file, but that's what Ms.
Can you check
Beecher
real
said.
quick? Can you check real quick?
Can I what?
Can you check real quick? Can you tell me what my bond is?
No, like, that's not something that pops up on my file. So Ms. Beecher.
I'll be over to see you, okay?
I appreciate it. Thank you, Ms. Beecher.
All right, thanks, Mr. Vela.
Thank you.
All right, and let's see.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
You're talking to us. All right, Mr. Bice and, okay, and Mr. Marvin?
Yeah.
Okay, who do you want first?
Doesn't matter, Mr. Marvin, if I could talk to him.
Yeah.
But I don't need to talk to Mr. Bice.
All right, let's take Bice first then.
Yep.
All right, so this is file number 2026-22673FC. I have Brian Fry appearing on behalf of Mr. Bice, and I have Alexander Bayanetto appearing on behalf of the people. This is the date and time set for arraignment in this matter. Mr. Fry, how would you like to proceed today?
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of my client's rights. We have not received any information in this case yet.
The felony information?
Yeah, we haven't received the felony information yet, but it was bound over from district court following a preliminary exam. So Mr. Bice is aware of the charges that got bound over. We'd be asking for a pretrial rescheduled. I believe he has a hearing in circuit court already on July 29th. So I don't know if we can set it for the same time.
I can. All right, and Mr. Bayonetto, you'll make sure that felony information, if it hasn't already been sent over, will be.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm putting a note in the file right now.
All right, we do the notice of hearing after arraignment. So we have delivery causing death, possession of methamphetamine, possession of fentanyl. Okay, all right, so, you said July 29th?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so we'll set this for a pretrial July 29 at 8:30 in the morning. And we will prepare the notice because it's a waiver of agreement. So, all right, Mr. Bice, you are all set. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
All right, so now I have this is in the matter of, we have 3 files, 26-22669 FH, 26-22668 FH, and 2026-221667 FH. This is date time set for pretrial. I have Brian Fry appearing on behalf of Mr. Marvin, Alexander Bayonetto appearing on behalf of the people. I do have a pretrial assessment paperwork from Darren Coast, who is our pretrial services coordinator. Mr. Marvin's been in jail since April 14 on a $36,000 bond on his new controlled substance and B&E charges. He's on probation with Miss Holly for similar offenses. He did score in the high risk category at the time of the assessment. The last time you released him on bond about a year ago, he refused to report to Mr. Coast or drug test as ordered. And so anyway, so Mr. Fry, you were asking for a breakout room?
Yes, I got a breakout room, Your Honor.
Yep, I am going to Mr. There he is. Mr. Fry is logged on. So Mr. Marvin, I am going to open up a breakout room. And I am gonna add you and Mr. Marvin. You're gonna get an invitation to join. Go ahead and join. Good morning, Miss Williams. How are you?
Morning, Your Honor. Thank you.